So we're now here in Thailand. We already had the event last night. We are done with events. So for today, we plan to stroll around, look for some food to eat, do a little shopping, and maybe do some sightseeing. I'm not exactly sure what we are doing, but we're gonna try to have fun today because we have been stressed. But wherever we are going, I'm gonna bring you with me. So now I'm gonna go down to have some breakfast with my colleagues. My roommate is already there, and I'm gonna go there now.
Ito naman layo-layo.
Hi, sir.
Kinanta ko yan. Nag-violate ko, tapos nagkakanta ako. Water with ice. So at this point, we'll do a quick exercise to just where you're facing.
Bahay kubo, kahit munti, ang halaman doon ay sari-sari, singkamas at talong.
Hi everyone, so it's our last day here in Thailand and I am currently packing, and I thought I would share with you the stuff that I was able to buy when we went shopping the other day, because I realized I didn't have the time to share with you, show with you. So let's do it quickly. Let's start with this top. I was able to buy it for 100 baht. I actually regret buying this because the strap is a bit short for my liking, but I think I'll be able to do something about it. Yeah. And then I bought these pants. This one is wide leg and is high-waisted, and I was able to buy these two for just 400 baht. So this one is also really good. It's also high-waisted and wide leg and really comfy, really comfy. And I also bought this cardigan. I wasn't planning to buy something like this because I don't know, I have one of this at home, but I needed to buy this yesterday because we were invited to conduct a workshop at a university here, and so I had to buy something that's kind of not casual and more presentable. And then I bought some earrings. I bought the other 3 of these I'm gonna give to my friends, and these zoops are mine. And I also bought 2 pairs for performances, like performance earrings. Really cute. I bought some stuff for my mom. This one is a dress, and it's really good quality. I forgot how much I bought it, but it's not that expensive. And I was able to buy these scarves for just 50 baht each. Normally, if you're gonna stroll around, you'll see that these scarves are sold for 100 baht each, but we were able to find a shop that sells it for just 50 baht. I bought some brownies as well. So this one is like chicharron. This one is fish skin. These are really good. I bought these 2 for 100 baht. And this one too is really good. Excited to try it. And then I bought my boyfriend a shirt. It's a Thai brand. So yeah, just basic tee. And then I was able to buy these lippies for just 100 baht. And I'm really excited to try this one. I already opened this one. I just put it back in. So the shade is Tri Rose, and this one is Goji, and the brand is called Baby Bright, and I heard that it's a good brand. So yeah, that's everything I bought. I'm gonna pack these stuff now, and then we're gonna check out and do a little strolling again. I might buy a couple of shirts because there's this shirt that I wanted to buy the other day, but when we got back to the area where our hotel is located, because the store is nearby a hotel, the shop was already closed. So I'm gonna try to check it out again. Let's go. Very bright dry rose tint. So cute.